Let's see how to reset a Firestick TV remote control. If you want to pair it to a new Firestick, you just need to reset it. Just come here and press these three buttons, the back button, the menu button, and here on the top, the left side button, okay? So you come here, press the buttons at the same time, like this, hold it for about 10 seconds, and then you let them go. You don't need to observe any LED flashing or any message on the screen. Just press the buttons, and then after 10 seconds, you can just release them, right? There we go. Now when I press here any button, I can see that flashing here 3 times, okay? As long as you see the LED flashing, it means the control is reset, and now you can pair it to a new TV, to a new Firestick TV. I have another video here on the channel where I show how to pair the remote control to a new Firestick. So I'll leave the link here by the end of this video. I hope that helps. Subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.